patinhos, you might be thinking why I'm speaking English. The reason why is that we got a special and international guest in our channel, directly from South Korean, EUNIUNNI'S. By the way, she is one of my inspiration to create this channel. Today we are talking about sheet masks, but we have some tips that we use and I think you don't often see. So let's start it.
Hi everyone! Hi my patinos! How are you guys? I'm so excited that I get to film this video for you guys sharing about how to use a sheet mask properly. It's really great because I'm in Seoul and you guys are over there, and for us to be able to meet like this is just an amazing opportunity. But for those of you that have seen me for the first time, hello, my name is EUNIUNNI'S and I am a YouTuber and a content creator that shares my passion for K-beauty, mostly Korean skincare, and my life in Korea. So if you're interested in Korean skincare and also in Korea, please watch this video. And today I'm gonna be basically talking about how I use a sheet mask and how you can use a sheet mask properly. This has worked for me personally really well, and there are other people that use it in a little bit different way. However, for you to be able to maximize the effect of using a sheet mask, I think this will be an amazing tip for you guys. Okay, so the very first step is, of course, you need a clean face. I just took a shower. I'm feeling good right now. And what you're gonna do is use a cotton pad. And right now I'm using Klairs Toner Made 2-in-1 cotton pad, and I will leave all the links in the description below of the products that I used today and some of my other sheet mask recommendation videos, so please check that out. So I'm using a cotton pad. You can use any cotton pad you have at home, or to be honest, you don't even have to use a cotton pad. First, I do want to recommend that you use a cotton pad and a toner, and the reason is because even if you did a really good job with your cleansing, we do have some of leftover sebum, leftover makeup, maybe leftover dead skin cells. So what I'm doing right now is just making sure that I have a clean canvas so that I can put on my sheet mask. Do this all over my face, and you can swipe, but for me, I have really sensitive skin, so I've noticed that that kind of irritates my skin. So I'm just dabbing on all the goodness. And today I am using Perito's Centella Green Level Calming Toner. This is I love it. It's very affordable. It's cheap. It has really gentle ingredients like Centella Asiatica 10%. It's calming, it's soothing, it's very hydrating. If you don't have a cotton pad, that's fine. I do want to recommend that you do one layer of toner on your face. And the reason is because you can think of your skin as like a sponge. So you know how a sponge gets wet and soaks the water much better when it's a little bit soaked already. So you want to make sure that your skin is a little bit hydrated before you put on the sheet mask.
Another tip I personally do, and you can try, is exfoliate the skin before using sheet mask. I feel the result is not the same, you know? I feel like the skin absorbs much more the product, but be careful if you have sensitive skin.
Moving on to the second step is the actual sheet mask. So you can choose any of your sheet masks that you have at home. This is Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Tensile Sheet Mask. And the reason why I like this one is because it's super gentle. Now, here is the tip. Now, you can get your sheet mask and put it on right away. And I'm sure that a lot of you guys do that. For me, what I do is I take out the sheet mask first. And I get the ampoule, because some sheet masks have a lot of ampoule in them, right? And I put that on my face first. The reason why I do this is because, of course, you can just put on a sheet mask. However, if you do this first, then all the good ampoules, all the goodness from the sheet mask itself can be put on your face evenly. It can be distributed evenly. Because sometimes there's big holes from the sheet masks that the sheet mask can't touch. It's open here. So you do want to hydrate that area fully. Don't have to literally soak in everything, but just make sure everything goes on once really nicely. And then this one is a sheet mask that is separated into two. I personally wished it was just one piece, But yeah, it is separated into two and it can fit a lot of different face shapes. So it can be better for other people. Yes. Okay. This is amazing. So every sheet mask has a specific time they do recommend that you put it on. So this one has 15 to 20 minutes. So you really do want to keep that rule or that direction, just because if you leave your sheet mask on for such a long time, then actually later on after 20 or 30 minutes or so, whenever, your sheet itself, this paper, can start taking away moisture from your skin. So you really want to keep the 15 to 20 minutes. Like sometimes for me, I do it for about 25, or a little bit there. But once you know that it starts kind of drying up, even if some areas is not dried up, but some you can feel that it's drying up, it's better to be safe and to take it away. And I guess during that time, I'm gonna answer maybe a few questions that you guys had that you frequently ask. So a lot of people ask this one thing first: can I use sheet masks every single day? And that's a great question. So the answer is yes and no. It really depends on what sheet mask you're using. So for example, this one, the Rich More Soothing Tensile Sheet Mask from Claire's, this one mainly focuses on hydration and calming. So for those sheet masks with very gentle and calming ingredients, you can use a sheet mask every single day. So one day a sheet mask, that will be fine for you. However, other sheet masks have brightening effect or anti-aging effect, wrinkle-free effect, right? So usually sheet masks with these type of effects have ingredients that are amazing, but that may be very rich for you. So I do want to recommend, if you want to use a brightening or wrinkle-free or anti-aging sheet mask, to use it once or twice a week. Oh, and I forgot one thing, but this, I know that a lot of people don't do this, but I personally love this tip and I swear by it. I feel like it has really make a big difference. It's a small step, but it'll be really good to maximize the effect of your sheet mask. So for me personally, we wait about 15 to 20 minutes like this, right? I don't like the fact that this area is widely open. I mean, we do have some of the ample from the sheet mask. However, after 5 minutes or so, it's gonna start drying up. I love using aloe gel, or I love using any of your serum or ample that you have at home. You can use your lotion, it really doesn't matter, but something that's a little bit heavier than a toner, because a toner will dry out really fast too. I love using my serum. Today I'm using Oolong Pink Everlasting Ample. I love this ample so much. And what I'm gonna do is just get a little bit and put it on the open areas. This has a lot of organic and natural ingredients in here. And I love. This really has changed my skincare game for me. And this makes my skin so healthy and so beautiful. If I could choose one ample from 2019, I would say this is like my best of beauty. So I really love this. And of course, the packaging is so beautiful. Look at this beautiful pink color. Matches my robe, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna relax a little bit and I will see you guys after 15 to 20 minutes.
It looks like obvious, but always read the sheet mask instructions. Some of them you must put in the fridge before using. Another one is also interesting, but it's not that necessary. For example, this one, as you can see, it was wrote in Korean, but you can figure out the symbols like this, or just Google it. I received this mask from Korea Beauty and they were so cute to leave this message in Portuguese to put in the fridge before using. So thank you so much, Korea Beauty. So stay tuned because I will try this and post on my Instagram.
Okay guys, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take it off. Ooh, ooh, I love it. And with the leftovers, you don't want to waste it, so give yourself some love. I love putting it like on my arm or like on my legs. I really love that. Okay, so another question here is that a lot of people ask if I should wipe it off or not, because it depends on the sheet mask itself, but mine right now does not feel heavy at all. This is a really, really gentle sheet mask. that like the ample in there is very, very light. And even if I soak it in like this a few times, everything is fully soaked in. However, some people feel like other sheet masks out there, it feels too iffy. So what I do want to recommend is make sure you massage and soak in everything. However, if it still feels too iffy, what you can do is you can get your cotton pad and you can actually wipe off a little bit of the layer on top. However, I do want to recommend that if you can, if it's not too sticky, just make sure that you soak everything in and it's perfectly fine. I want to say, please don't wash it off, because the whole 20 minutes of using this beautiful sheet mask for everything to be absorbed in, if you wash it off again, it's not gonna be as good because you're, you know, like removing all the goodness. However, if it's just too iffy that you can't stand, you can use a cotton pad to wipe off the top layer, you know, if that makes you feel better. And for some people with extremely oily skin or that doesn't really like heavy feeling, you can finish off here, or maybe finish off with just a few spritz of your mist that you have and you're done. Or if you do have dry skin like myself, I usually can't just finish here. Right now, my skin feels really good. It feels perfect, I'm ready to go. However, within like 1 hour or so, I'm gonna feel it pulling my skin. I'm gonna feel the dryness because I do have dry skin and combination skin. So I'm gonna finish off with my actually cream. So any cream that you have at home, you can finish off with your cream. Some people want to add a serum and then a cream, and that's fine too. So after your sheet mask, you can just finish off with a serum and a cream, or you can use just your cream to finish off. But already within the sheet mask, it's like those amples or essences. So it's enough if you just finish off with your cream. So today I'm using the I'm from Mugworth cream, and this, I'm still testing it out, but it has a really light texture, and I really love mugwort. If you don't know what mugwort is, it's a really popular ingredient in Korea called soup in Korea. And we eat it, we use it for our medicine. There's so many skincare brands or products out there in the K-beauty market now that uses this ingredient as the main ingredient. I love it because it's such a great ingredient for calming and for soothing and for detoxing your skin. But another thing is that it's really good for inflammatory acne. So I do have some of redness around my face, and I feel like mugwort is just an amazing ingredient. But anyway, so you can finish off with your cream like this. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you had fun with me, and yeah, if you're interested in K-beauty or Korea, please come on over to my channel and subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much, Patinos, and I will see you guys in the next time. Bye! Bye! Bye!
Okay, Patinhos, I'm so thankful for Uni did this video for us. So thank you very, very, very much, Uni, and God bless you. By the way, Patinhos, don't forget to like this video, okay? Because it was so hard to make in English. Subscribe and comment as well. And that's it. I see you in the next video. Bye bye. By the way, Patinhos, don't forget to like this video because it was very hard to make in English. I blew my mind. I'm emotional. By the way, Patinhos.
So I am done. Never neglect your neck. You don't want neck wrinkles, right? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna pick that up later.